You can do conditional sum functions. That's called the Sumif if you want to give it an argument. So first thing, you're going to click where you want your answer to go. Then we're going to go to the Insert Function button and search for the Sumif. First thing I want to do is I want to highlight the paid range because I want it to sift through the paid range and look for instances where it says yes to see if someone has paid. And then I'm going to give it the range I need it to add. So anytime someone has a yes beside their name, it's going to go over here and add that amount. And I have so far collected $20 for the t-shirt order forms. That is the Sumif. You can do the same thing with averageif. And just click in another cell, click the Insert Function button, search for averageif. You would tell it to select the range, so maybe if the shirt is blue, then I want you to give me the average of the amount collected. Or you could do something like a countif. So insert function, find countif. I want it to look through the shirt colors. And my criteria is blue. So anytime there's a blue shirt, I want them to count it. So I have 3 blue shirts.